Section 1. You will hear a man phoning a real estate agent in order to rent out rooms in his house. First, you have some time to look at questions 1 to 7. Now listen carefully and answer questions 1 to 7.
Hi, Bellingham Real Estate Agents. Could you hold, please?
Okay.
Sorry about that. What can I do for you?
Yeah, I'm looking for some tenants for my house, and I was hoping you could advertise it for me.
Sure, no problem. Is it here in Vancouver?
No, it's just outside in Richmond.
Very nice. It's a house, you say?
Yes, it's a family house. It's 2-story, quite modern.
Right. And you're wanting to rent out the whole place, is that right?
No, just 2 rooms are for rent. That's 2 bedrooms plus the use of the rest of the house. It would really suit a couple of students.
Okay. Can you just tell me the address, please?
Yeah, sure. It's 3281 Number 1 Road, Richmond.
Okay. That's quite a way out. And how much were you thinking of for these rooms?
I thought $700 per room would be a pretty fair price.
Is that per month?
Sure.
Okay. You'd get at least 1,000 if you were in Vancouver.
Yeah, I know.
Any other costs?
Just the cleaner who comes once a week.
Cleaner, okay. And how much would your tenant have to pay her?
Actually, it's a guy, and that would be another $30 a month for the cleaning.
Okay. And is it nice? I mean, is it got a view and things?
Sure. It looks out over the ocean. No garden, but there's lots to look at from the lounge.
Okay, and your name is?
Peter Truboise.
Truboise. Is that B-O-Y-S?
No, it's Truboise.
Truboise. Nice name. And your address?
It's the same one I just gave you.
Fine, as above. Got a phone number you can give me?
Sure, I'm calling you from it. It's 6047-4106.
And a cell?
Yes, that's 903-277-3987.
Before you hear the rest of the conversation, you have some time to look at questions 8 to 10. Now listen carefully and answer questions 8 to 10.
Now, let's get down to the serious stuff. What have you got in the kitchen? A fridge, of course.
Yes, a fridge. And there's a dishwasher.
Got facilities for washing clothes?
Yeah, a washing machine in the basement and a dryer too.
Okay. Gas or electric stove?
Electric. And in the kitchen there's a microwave as well.
Fine. Now what about the house? Anything worth mentioning?
Sure. There's a room for playing ping pong and pool.
Great. And how's it heated?
It's got central heating, but no fireplace.
That's too bad. I like an open fire in winter. Air conditioned?
No.
No conditioning. I suppose you've got a TV?
Sure.
Cable?
Afraid not. I've never gotten around to putting it in.
Fine. What sort of tenant are you looking for? Students, you said?
That's right. Although it's quite away from the university. I guess they'd need a car.
That's true. Still, there's a shopping mall just a block away. I'm looking at a map right now.
Yep, just a small one. No movie theaters or anything like that. We're right by the beach, though, and that's something.
Sure, especially in this weather. I wish I was there myself. Any other entertainment in the area?
There's a cocktail lounge on the corner and a couple of hamburger joints. You'd have to go downtown for a movie, though. Oh, and Boyd Park is only a couple of 100 yards away.
Okay, Mr. Truboise, I'll post this up for you, and I hope you have some luck.
Thanks. Bye.
Bye, and take care.
Sure, thanks.
That is the end of section 1. You now have half a minute to check your answers.